Hello guys, it's Louise here from Crazy Borgies. I hope you're all well and fine on this beautiful July day. Today I have an unboxing for you, and this one has been gifted to me by the people at Diamondartgift, and I am currently working my way through some of their canvases that they've sent me previously. And check out the video that I posted on Saturday, I think, where I done some completions from Diamondartgift, and I'll be posting another completion video with them fairly soon because I'm working on 5 more canvases as well. So I'm trying to work in a certain order to kind of clear out my old canvases to make way for the new canvases. Yes, okay, back to the unboxing. So today's video, as I said, is gifted by Diamondartgift, so huge thank you to them for sending me these products to review. And I have 3 canvases in here from what I can feel through the bag. But first and foremost, if I could ask you, if you have not done so already, to please like, subscribe, share, follow me on TikTok and Instagram on Crazy Borgies Diamond Art, and hit the little notification bell which will notify you of my future video uploads. I do apologise for not posting anything yesterday, but yesterday I went outside, I cut the grass, and I ended up getting sunstroke because I done it first thing in the morning thinking I would be safe from the sun. No, because I forgot to wear a hat. Yes, it wasn't a good look, trust me. Right, so this is actually being filmed the day, well, the evening before, so Monday evening, and it took me till 11 o'clock to be able to film this, put it that way. So sunstroke is a very real and dangerous thing. So yeah, right, 3 canvases I have. I did order a pen from Diamondartgift, but unfortunately the bag was ripped open when I actually the bag arrived ripped open when I received it from the Every driver. They used to be Hermes, they're no longer Hermes, and I think the pen may have fallen out. So I'll probably end up getting the pen next time, but it's no big deal. As I said, you can't control what the post does with your parcels, and they do come quite a distance. So yeah, and the bag looked like it had been slit, like cut straight across the top, like it had been opened. So I'm not quite sure what happened there. Anyway, first canvas is a partial, and look at that gorgeous, beautiful bird. Isn't that stunning? And I'm liking the fact that it's on a black background because that helps it pop out with all those fabulous colours. So 30 by 30, crystal rhinestone and special shape. And there is your standard kit once again. So pink pen, green boat, and your little bit of wax there. Yes, that's all you need. That's all you need if you're new to diamond painting. There we go. Okay. So let me just give it a little roll to help the canvas relax. The canvas is quite soft anyway, to be honest with you. I hope we're not getting too much of a glare from my ring light. There is a bit of a glare, isn't there? Let's try and dim the light. Okay. So this one has 10 crystal and special shapes, and the symbols are all numerical. I still don't feel right, you know, from that cutting the grass. I don't know whose idea that was. Obviously it was mine. Anyway, so we have all the crystal codes there. There's our legend. We have 2 legends, one either side, and the numbers that are on the bags are the same. So as I was saying, the numbers that are on the diamond bags are the same numbers that are used on the drill area, so the diamond painting area. And because it's only a partial, we only diamond paint where the adhesive is and where the symbols are. So let's zoom you up now. Whoa, that's very very near. But as you can see, we have a nice clear drill area there. Okay, and I'm just bringing you up towards our thumbnail. So hang on a second, guys, this isn't going well tonight. There you go, that's the thumbnail, which looks, I don't know, it doesn't look as good on the thumbnail as usual, but yes, and that's the item number and the size. And it's important to remember that size is the overall canvas size, not the diamond painting size. Okay, but yes, I thought this was a really interesting picture, and as you know, I love birds. I really do. I think they're just gorgeous. Let's zoom you out a bit more. And when I saw this with all that colour, I just thought, yes, that is calling my name. That's what I thought. Okay, so let's have a look at these crystals and special shapes. So we have 10 of them. Let's have a look. Make sure the canvas code matches up there, which it does. I can see a lovely selection of specials there already. So let's start off with my favourite, the special diamonds. So we have a emerald green in a large teardrop there. Lovely. We have the orange pearl AB coated teardrop as well. That's another one of my favourites. And then we have a medium sized gold dome. We have a normal size green, emerald green rhinestone. We have a purple as well. We have a dark blue, a navy blue in the rhinestone. We have a light blue in the rhinestone. We have a gorgeous raspberry red there. We have a golden yellow. Whoops. An orange. And then another orange. So 2 different shades of oranges there. Although they are the same. What am I saying? 2 bags of orange. Lovely. They look really lovely quality actually. So yes, that should look stunning. Yeah, it's going to be very colourful, this one, very colourful. as usual, I will link all the products shown in today's video in the video description box, along with any discount codes that I have, along with a link to Diamondartgift, their online store. And I will let you know at the end of the video, in the summary, the prices for the products that I show today. Okay, so let's put that to one side and we shall move on to canvas number 2. So always remember, guys, if you are cutting your grass, even in the morning, yes, even in the morning, to always wear a hat, because even though you think the sun isn't strong, it can still get you. Standard kit once again. And this one has come already bagged up, so that is just gorgeous. Whoa, let's look at these colours. So we have a brown, we have a black, navy blue, a yellow, my favourite colour, red there, another shade of red, a pink, green, a dark green there, another shade of blue, dark navy blue, a purple, a biscuit sort of yellowy colour there, and then we have a little bit of a hot pinkish sort of colour there poking through, a white, another green, and then some more blues. Yes, diamonds look really good, not dusty at all, which is wonderful. There we go. And we have the canvas number written there, and we don't have the size, but I'm thinking how many colours are in this one. That there might be 21 colours in this one. We'll see now though, but yes. And the bags, as you can see, clearly have the DMC codes on and the number all there, 666. Okay. Okay. So, yes, this one does have 21 colours. Let me zoom you out again. Just saw a little bit of its head. It's another 30 by 30, and this one is a full drill. And it's of a gorgeous, bright, pink flamingo. Yes. I've lost my straightening tool once again. Oh, jeez. Not good, is it? I'm going to use something. I'm going to use... Do you know what I'm going to use? I've decided I'm going to use one of these instead. Oh, yes. Let's do it the difficult way. Let's do it. Does it work? No, it doesn't. A little bit it does. Just a little bit. Got to improvise if you don't have the tools, you know. Good adhesive there. Very thick and reflective. Very good. This is just something that we do to help get the air bubbles out of the canvas, guys. Okay, to help it just relax a little bit more. So, yes, that's the item that I chose. this gorgeous pink flamingo with lots of different flowers around the edge. It's a tropical image, this one. So 21 colours. We have all the DMC codes listed and the symbols are all alphabetical. Yes. Really, really stunning. So let's have a look at the diamond painting area here. Okay, so we do have some little bits of colour blocking going on. I think, as usual, the confetti is usually on the centre image, which is the flamingo. We do have a little bit of blurry signs round here, but I'm not overly fussed because it's a white print there and we can clearly see. The thing I like about the new style is you can clearly see the colour behind it, so you sort of know roughly what colour is going to go where just by giving it a quick little glance over. This one as well has a nice border going all the way around the outside, so it has that black 310 going all the way around. So yes, and I'm liking that they sort of do the print on the diamond painting area 2 different colours now, because that helps as well. Okay, so there is our thumbnail there of Miss Flamingo, or could it be a mister? I don't know. And that's the item code and the size. But yes, lovely. Let's zoom you back out. There we go. So I think I've chosen all 30 by 30s for this. Yes, I must have done. Okay. I think this one should come out all right, even though for its size there is quite a lot going on in the background, but I'm quite hopeful with this one that it'll come out okay, because we have a centre focus piece there on the flamingo, so hopefully. It's kind of difficult to judge a 30 by 30 if it's going to come out okay or not. I won't know until I actually start diamond painting it. Yeah, it's quite busy, and like I said, sometimes some of the full drills, you look at them after they're completed and you think, really, that might have been better as a partial than a full drill. But once again, that's just my opinion, so yeah. Okay, right, let's put this to one side. Whoops. And move on to our last canvas, which is a partial. Whoops, I do love my partials, especially the 30 by 30s, because sometimes, as I said, I think with the 30 by 30 it's kind of difficult to judge with full drills if they're going to come out good, or a bit of a pixelated blur. So yeah, sometimes if I'm going to go for a smaller size, I would prefer a partial. I don't have a preference between partials and full drills. It's just the picture really just depends on it. So standard kit, once again, you can get some gorgeous partials and you can get some gorgeous full drills. It really does depend on the picture. Now this one I'm pretty sure I've seen it in a full drill, because I know they've got lots of stained glass images going on. But I just felt after seeing it in a partial that I'd like to try it in the partial than the full drill. Okay. Would help if I was holding it the right way instead of the wrong way. So, let's just double check. So, the glue is just purely where we need to diamond paint, which is where the symbols are. Yeah, good adhesive there and there. I don't recommend using your trays for straightening this plastic cover sheet, guys. It's not a very good idea at all. I just wish I knew. I think I took it outside. I think I left it outside on the table somewhere. Probably I did from the other day when I was doing the unboxing out there. We are not making a good job of this one tonight. There, that's a bit better. There we go. So yes, that's the image, and I'm glad I chose a partial, because I just think with the background having so many different colours that are quite similar to the flowers, it might have been just a bit too much at this size for full drill. And see, because it's a partial, you could really, if you wanted to, cut it out, put it on some backing board or cardboard and hang it up as an ornament if you wanted to. But yes, we have just 6 colours on this one. Down there, there's our little legend. Down here, we have the crystal codes. We have a black AB as well. Yay, that's going to look gorgeous. That's going to be outlining all of the outside here. In here, it's going to be a lot, guys. And the black AB is the one that has like a metallic-y blue sort of effect going on. And that is a gorgeous, gorgeous AB. It's my favourite, to be honest with you, is that. I even prefer it to the red AB, if I'm honest, because it just throws off so many beautiful colours on that black AB. So nice clear drill field there, no problems at all. And we just take you up to that thumbnail. Gorgeous. Yeah, that's going to look stunning with all that black AB. Okay. Let me just, I want to have a look at these diamonds now. Let's crack on. Just turn the painting over. It's all numerical as well, the symbols there. So that's good. They all match up to the symbols on the bags. There's our black AB. Gorgeous. Let's get into this bag. And with partials you get all these fabulous different special shapes and ABs as well. So it's always worth trying a partial if you've never diamond painted a partial before, because they're really lovely to work with all these beautiful diamonds and different shapes. Right, Let's move in here. So we have a green AB here. Do have some rough edges around the diamond. That doesn't bother me so much because just keep a nail file handy just to break it off. It's really easy to remove, guys. It's not a big deal. But yes, there's our emerald green marquee there, and a large marquee as well. We have a large baby pink there as well. We have a medium baby pink. No, not a medium, what am I saying? Just a normal size baby pink there. A normal size raspberry, like raspberry reddish colour there. Okay, we have emerald green again in a normal rhinestone size there. Okay, and there it is. There's our black AB, so you can clearly see when I move the bag. Let's give it a little mix up here. Get some of these ABs at the front. There we go. You can see we've got purples being thrown off and blues, metallic-y blue. There we go, off the top of the AB diamond there. Gorgeous. It is my favourite for sure. Lovely. Okay. Right. So let me hop off and I will find the prices out for yourselves. Just give me 1 second. Okay guys, so I've been on the website and the prices for these items, these free canvases, are all the same, which makes it even better. So they are all on the website as of today, which is the 9th of July 2023. They're on the website all for $4.99, guys. So that's a really good price for a 30 by 30 anyway. But then when you start throwing in specials, which always cost a bit more, that's an excellent price. So yes, really happy with that. So we've got a gorgeous hummingbird. I'm pretty sure that is a hummingbird there with the long beak. We've got our gorgeous flamingo, and we've got our gorgeous stained glass window rose. I think these are all really like summery images, aren't they, really? So yes. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me for today's unboxing, and I hope you've liked the canvases that I've unboxed and chosen for this review. And please like, subscribe, share, comment down below, follow me on TikTok and Instagram on Crazy Borgie's Diamond Art, and hit the little notification bell. Okay, also I just wanted to mention that with your partials as well, don't think that you have to just stick to the design the way it's been charted. You know, you can throw on more diamonds if you choose to. All you have to do is get some of that B7000 glue, which is really, really good adhesive. And you can go to town on the design as much as you want to. You don't have to always stick with how it's been charted. Okay? Alright then, guys. Take care. God bless. And any questions, leave them in the comments section, and I will try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, take care. God bless. Mind the sunshine if you're out in it. Put a hat on, even if it's first thing in the morning. Don't do the same mistake I did. And look after yourselves and look after one another. God bless you all. Bye for now, guys. Bye.